mini mathematicians, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Let's get started. When we talk about a 3-digit number, it means 3 place values are involved: hundreds, tens and ones. Look at the first question. Add 425 and 367. Now look at these numbers in column form. Tell me kids, from which place value do we start addition? Yes, well done. We start with the ones place. Look at the numbers in the ones place. Very good. 5 plus 7. When we add them, we get 12. Can we write 12 in the ones column? No. Well done. So, we write 2 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Remember, we must add this carried 1 with the tens. Now, what is the next step? Excellent! Add the tens. What are the numbers in the tens place? Very nice! 2 and 6, and we also add the carried ones. After adding, we get 9. What is the next step? Well done! Add the hundreds. What are the numbers in the hundreds place? Well done! 4 plus 3 equals to 7. So after adding 425 and 367, we get the answer 792. Now move to the second question. Add 759 and 167. Tell me kids, what is the first step? Very good. Add the ones. What are the numbers in the ones place? Yes, 9 and 7. After adding, we get 16. So we write 6 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. What is the next step? Well done. Add the tens. What are the numbers in the tens place? Very good. 5 and 6, and we add the carried 1. After adding, we get 12. Again, we have a 2-digit number, so we write 2 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. Now, what is the next step? Well done. Add the hundreds. What are the numbers in the hundreds place? Yes, very nice. 7 and 1, and we add the carried 1. After adding, we get 9. So, after adding 759 and 167, the answer is 926. That's all for today, kids. For more examples, please watch part 2. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mini Mathematician. Bye bye kids.